Hello everyone, what's up? My name is Matheus, my nickname is Bagrecelos. Today we're going to react to electric car with a train horn prank. Oh my god, let's go to the
Du
video.
kjenner sikkert til problemet. Du sitter i en elbil, men fløyten lager
Let's
alt
go
for lite
to the
lyd.
video.
Dette har vi løst i dag. Vi har montert en
Stor fløyte.
på en
Liten bil.
Oh my god. Let's see what's will happen.
Nei. Ja.
I'm so scared. Oh god. Oh my god. It's the little car, but a big horn. A big horn. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
3, 2, 1.
What a incredible prank. Oh my god, prank fail. Oh my god. Oh. 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 It's a very scary than the other. Oh god. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh, little things. Oh, little things. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, oh my god. Prank very good, scares. I love the reacting to it. What did you think? Leave it in the comments, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget, new videos every day. You won Bagrecelos Reacts. Bye bye, see you the next time.